Hello everyone, welcome all to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the NCERT exercise solutions of the chapter Units and Measurements. Let's go. In this video we are going to discuss question number 2.1. First part is question number A. That is to find the volume of a cube of 1 centimeter in meter cube. Therefore, volume is equal to 1 centimeter the whole cube. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. Okay, so volume is equal to 1 by 100 the whole cube meter cube, which is equal to 10 raised to minus 2 the whole cube meter cube, which is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter cube, and that's the answer. B section, question number B. Surface area of a solid cylinder. We know that surface area of a solid cylinder is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. Those who don't know this equation, please look this diagram. In this diagram, it's given a solid cylinder. It consists of 2 circular parts and 1 curved part. Split this solid cylinder into 2 circular parts and 1 curved part, as you can see in the video. So the area of these 2 circular parts is pi r square, and the area of the curved part is 2 pi RH. Adding all these, we will get the surface area of the solid cylinder as 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. In the question, it's given that radius is equal to 2 centimeter and height is equal to 10 centimeter. Substituting all these in the equation, we will get surface area is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 7 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus 2 into 10 to the power 7 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter square, which is equal to 0.015 meter square. We all know that 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power 3 millimeter. So, therefore 1 meter square is equal to 10 to the power 3 the whole square millimeter square, which is equal to 10 to the power 6 millimeter square. Therefore, surface area is equal to 0.015 into 10 to the power 6 millimeter square, which is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 4 millimeter square. Next part is question number C. The question is actually to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. So in the question it's given that the speed is 18 kilometer per hour. To convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we have to multiply 5 by 18. But some students are confused with these numbers. So for them, I will give one shortcut, and that is, we have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. So meter is the small unit compared to kilometer. So to convert into meter per second, we have to multiply 5 by 18. We have to convert it to a small unit. So the small number should be on the numerator. And we all know that 5 by 18 or 18 by 5 is the number to get multiplied. But we all get confused for which conversion these should be multiplied. So the easiest method is to convert in the smaller unit. We have to multiply the smaller number as the numerator. 5 by 18. If this is the conversion, that is meter per second to kilometer per hour, then 18 by 5 we have to convert into a larger unit. So the larger number will be on the numerator. This is the method. Okay. Using this method, 18 km per hour, which is equal to 18 into 5 by 18 meter per second, which is equal to 5 meter per second. Cancelling 18 and 18. Therefore, 5 meter in 1 second. Next is part D of question number 2.1. Given is the relative density of lead, which is equal to 11.3. We all know the equation density is equal to relative density into density of water in gram per centimeter cube. We all know that density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Therefore, density of lead is equal to 11.3 gram per centimeter cube. We have to find it also in kilogram per meter cube. For that, we have to convert 1 gram per centimeter cube to kilogram per meter cube. 1 gram is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Therefore, 1 centimeter cube is equal to 10 raised to minus 2 the whole cube meter cube, which is equal to 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Therefore, the final answer is 11.3 gram per centimeter cube or 11.3 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. That's all about question number 2.1 of exercise of the chapter Units and Measurements. Thank you all for watching this video.